and welcome back to KitBits. Today we're going to take a look at the operators, but instead of going one by one, we're going to take a few examples and then you have the opportunity to figure the rest out yourself. Okay, let's not waste any time, let's get right in. So here we're back in our editor, and as you can see I've prepared a little something, and we have a say command, and then instead of having words in there, we just have like an equation. So we have 2 plus 3, and we're doing this with an operator, which is with the plus sign. So when I trigger this, as you can see, the cat will answer, well, the result. And we can not only do this with plus, of course, we can also do subtraction, like we can do like 2 minus 3, and then it says minus 1, and then of course we can also do like multiplication, we can do 2 times 2, and then it gives us 4, and so on and so forth. So as I also mentioned in a previous video, like all these rounded ones you can put wherever there is like, round circled entries. For example, I could also put one in here. And if I multiply, let's say we multiply 2 times 2, well, 2 times 2 is 4, therefore it will wait, or it will say something for 4 seconds. And then I can just put this one back in here, and so it will say 4 for 4 seconds. As you can see here. So, and as you can see, you can do a lot of different things. We can even do like pick a random number between 1 and 10, and if we trigger that, we might have to wait long, or we might have to wait not so long. But in this case, I think we have to wait quite a bit until this goes away. That was it. That was a little overview over the operators. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. KitBits.